Setting up an operating agreement through LegalZoom is a simple but essential step if you're forming an LLC. Once you choose your LLC package with LegalZoom, you'll get the option to include an operating agreement during the process. This document outlines how your LLC will be managed, how decisions are made, how profits are split, and what happens if someone leaves the company. LegalZoom gives you a customizable template that fits your state's requirements. You can edit names, roles, and clauses to match how your business actually works. If you're not sure how to fill it out, LegalZoom also offers attorney support, though at an additional cost. While an operating agreement isn't required in every state, having one protects you from future disputes and keeps your business legally sound. Even if you're a solo member, it shows professionalism. It can help with things like opening a business bank account. Getting it done through LegalZoom is fast, legally compliant, and takes the guesswork out of writing one from scratch. If you found this useful, give it a like, subscribe for more startup tips, and comment below if you want a full walkthrough of the setup process or need help deciding which plan is best for you.